All right, working on installing the speedometer cable. So we've already done the one coming from the dash out on the dash, which is right here. Okay, and that comes down. There. And then routes down on the driver's side of your subframe. All right, and then from there, it clips onto here. We'll do that. We'll do that later. I'll show you the routes, but it clips onto there. And then from there, your second half. Okay, hooks up to there, but you want to stick it through the subframe. So this is the transmission end. Okay, you want to stick it through the subframe first on this side. Okay, like that. Okay, and then just drag it down. You have your connection here, and it goes over the subframe here. Comes in, and then to the speedometer, the gear. It's right up here. It's right there. So. It's a little tricky to get that get it in, but once you get lined up and screw this a little bit, sometimes it's easier to screw it in by hand up top than it is trying to fish around all your linkages and stuff. All right, I'll video it from up top and then I'll go underneath. So you want to line this rod up with the gear. You can grab on the back end and turn and twist it to make sure it lines up with the speedometer with the gear. Just a square little peg. Okay. And it lines up. And try to keep it centered. Tricky. Continue to screw down a little bit and then come up top. And you can reach in a little bit better up here. All right, then once you got it hooked up to the tranny, then we'll come through here, and then we'll screw this together. All right, once you get it in, you can put your clip in, put that sucker in. Okay. Probably pull a little bit of the slack, but and that's it. And just and that's all done. And then for reaching in here to get that tightened up, I don't know. Let me figure it out. All right, and then to get in there and get, other than just hand tight, get a pair of channel locks in there. You don't have to super tight at all. Just nice and snug. If you need to take it off again, you can. I mean, I'm not getting it very tight at all. That's all you really need. So you can grab onto it. All right. Should be good. Okay. All right, that's it.